Chapter 7, Cognition, Memory, Language, and Thought, by Aaron Maddie Unida. Sensory memory. Sensory memory is when you receive information from outside environments. It has a large capacity. It contains sensory information and has a very brief retention of images, up to a half second for visual. Here we drew the 5 senses in the brain which hold your memories. Short-term memory. Short-term memory is information that comes from the sensory memory. It has limited capacity. It has brief storage of items, up to 30 seconds with no rehearsal. It is involved in conscious process of information. Here we do Dory, who suffers from short-term memory loss. Long-term memory. Long-term memory comes from the short-term memory. It has unlimited capacity. The storage thought by some to be permanent. Information organized and indexed. Here we do an elephant, which is one of the few animals with long-term memory. Misinformation effect. The misinformation effect is incorporating misleading information into one's memory of an event. Here we drew the hit or smash experiment. Prototype. A prototype is a mental image or best example of a category. If a new object is similar to our prototype, we are better able to recognize it. Here we drew Sarah, whose prototype of dessert is cake. Heuristics and algorithms. Heuristic is a rule of thumb strategy that often allows us to make judgments and solve problems efficiently. Here is Dave solving a problem. Algorithm. Algorithm is a methodical, logical rule or procedure that guarantees solving a problem. Phoneme, morpheme, syntax, and semantics. Phoneme is in a spoken language the smallest distinctive sound. Morpheme in a language is the smallest unit that carries meaning. Syntax is the rules for combining words into grammatically sensible sentences. Semantics is the set of rules by which we derive the meaning in a language. Overconfidence. Overconfidence is the tendency to be more confident than correct, to overestimate the accuracy of your beliefs and judgments. Belief perseverance. Belief perseverance is the tendency to cling to one's initial beliefs even after receiving new information that contradicts or disconfirms the basis of that belief. Implicit and explicit memories. Implicit memories is the retention independent of conscious recollection, and explicit memories are memories of facts and experiments that one can consciously recall. Thanks for listening.